What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sisson Expedition. My name's Gavin.
My name's Jude.
And this is our pal, Rocky. Today, we're at Clarkco State Park for a camping expedition. We have a special surprise for y'all. Jude, hit me with a drum roll. Introducing the newest member of the Sisson family, Duke Sisson! Alright guys, the sun's getting pretty low, so it's time to start the fire. Here are some of the main things you need to start a fire. Number 1, some fire starter. Either you make it at home or you buy it at the store. Number 2, some kindling to get the fire started. Number 3, smaller logs to get the bed of coal. And number 4, larger logs to help it burn all night. And we're going to use the log cabin method tonight. Now that's how you build a fire. Now that we have the fire started, it's time to cook a little dinner. On the menu is chili glizzies and Frito chili pie. And for dessert, s'mores and a piece of Mom's birthday cake because it's her birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to you.
You don't think? Mine's so low.
Here at Clarkco State Park, there's lots of things to do, like hiking trails. You can ride your bike and your scooter too.
Let's go.
You can play disc golf too. And you can go fishing too. You can sing campfire songs too. Oh, tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere go. Tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. And you can play pickleball at this awesome court. And you can play on this awesome playground too. Alright, Jude, race to the top. And when it's not real cold like today, you can play at the splash pad or go to the beach. As you can see, there's tons of fun stuff to do at Clarkco State Park. We had a blast and can't wait to get back. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and tune in for our next expedition. 1, 2, 3, Sisson!